2023 Inspiron 165635 Business Laptop FHD Plus 16 Display, AMD Ryzen 7 7730U Processor, 16GB LPDDR4X RAM, 2TB SSD, AMD Radeon Graphics, backlit keyboard, Type-C, Windows 11 Pro, Platinum Silver. 1. Experience it like you're there. Hear your content as it was meant to be heard with Dolby Atmos spatial audio. 2. Your personal sound booth. Stay on beat with up-firing speakers that send audio toward your direction. 3. AI noise reduction. Enjoy clear audio with built-in dual microphones and AI that reduces background noises. 4. Power from within. Get up to 8 cores with AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors for high performance. 5. Processor powerhouse. Experience the prowess of the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U 8-core 16-thread processor with Radeon graphics, designed for enthusiast-level gaming and productivity. It fits into smaller and more portable devices, and with efficient cooling, it can reach an impressive 4.5 GHz clock speed, conquering even the most demanding tasks. 6. Immersive display and graphics. Delight in a 16-inch FHD plus 1920x1200 resolution screen with a 60 Hz refresh rate, utilizing WVA technology for optimal visuals. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides a taller display within the compact form factor, while ComfortView software, certified by TUV Rainland, reduces blue light emissions. Combined with DC dimming to minimize flicker, your eyes are treated to extended, comfortable screen time. Swift memory and storage. Robust 16GB DDR4 memory ensures seamless multitasking and multimedia handling. Switch effortlessly between gaming, streaming, and browsing, experiencing uninterrupted performance. The 2TB PCI NVMe M.2 solid-state drive offers lightning-fast responsiveness, swift boot-ups, and enhanced overall system speed. Dell's latest Inspiron 16 Plus isn't a perfect desktop replacement, but it offers robust features at a reasonable price, with solid performance from its 12th generation Intel 8 series CPU and NVIDIA RTX graphics. For more reviews on technology, subscribe our YouTube channel, Tech Bridge.